Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. First, go into the settings and activity, then click your account center. After that, click here on manage accounts. Then click on the Instagram profile that you want to delete. After that, this will open up and click deactivation or deletion. After that, you can choose delete your account, delete account, then hit the continue. It will show you what you've done throughout the whole history of your account. You can click continue. Then you need to decide what reason is why you're deleting this Instagram account. So I click here too many ads, then you can click continue. After that, you're gonna click continue one more time. Then you can choose to deactivate or export your info, what we want to delete. So we go to continue. Then you'll just need to type in your password and again click continue. Now, if you got any other questions for this video, don't forget to leave them in the comments. And if this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you and have a good one.